Adding your own phone to Xfinity Mobile, known as Bring Your Own Device or BYOD, is straightforward, but compatibility is essential. First, make sure your phone is unlocked. Your phone must support Verizon's network frequencies, including LTE bands 2, 4, 12, 13, 66, 71, and 5G bands N2, N5, N7, N20, N66, N77. Use Xfinity's online IMEI checker via their website or mobile app, version 12.5 or later. Scan the QR code for instant results. Keep in mind, devices over 10 years old or running older software, like Android below 11 or iOS below 15, typically won't work. Note that new activations favor eSIM use to protect against SIM card fraud. Also, be aware that some 5G features may be limited on devices over 3 years old due to carrier restrictions. Once you've confirmed compatibility, get an Xfinity Mobile SIM kit, costing around $10 for a physical SIM or free for eSIM in supported areas. Activate through the Xfinity Mobile app or website. You'll need your phone's IMEI, Xfinity account details, and payment information. The activation process takes from 1 to 24 hours. Security includes biometric verification to prevent fraud. Xfinity Mobile's BYOD program is popular, with a 15% year-over-year increase in adoption. It offers an alternative to buying new phones and aligns with e-waste reduction. Remember, BYOD doesn't include phone subsidies, but it lets you keep your preferred plan.